What if I told you artists use invisible arrows to guide your eyes? You don't always notice them, but your brain follows every time. Mastering Composition, Episode 2, Leading Lines, The Artist's Invisible Arrows. Leading lines are real or implied lines that guide your eye through an image. Artists use them to create focus, flow, and even emotion. Lines can be anything: a road, a shadow, a wall, a gaze, even a shaft of light. Take The Last Supper by Leonardo da Vinci. Look closely. The walls, the ceiling, the windows, even the edges of the table. Every line leads your eyes straight to the center. Christ. That's no accident. It's a visual spotlight. There are different types of leading lines. Each creates a different mood. Diagonal lines add motion and energy. Horizontal lines feel calm and stable. Vertical lines suggest strength and structure. Curved lines feel graceful and organic. These monumental hands, titled Support by Lorenzo Quinn, rise from the Grand Canal in Venice. They symbolize humanity's power to either support or destroy our world. What do the lines and gestures of the sculpture make you feel? Take a moment to observe the lines stretching across the scene, from the rooftops to the edge where the water meets the buildings. What do these lines suggest? How might they shape the way you experience this view? Look closely at the scene. What do you notice about the lines that rise from the water? How might these upright forms affect the way your eyes move through the image, or how the space feels? Take a moment to explore the space. Where do you see curves? How does the presence of rounded lines affect the feeling of this otherwise angular brick-filled room? Let's test your eyes. Look at this painting, The Calling of St. Matthew by Caravaggio. Did your eyes follow the beam of light? It leads right to St. Matthew. That's the power of a leading line. You feel it more than see it. Leading lines are one of an artist's most powerful tools. You're not just looking at a painting, you're being guided through it. In the next episode, we'll dive into how artists place things just right, using the rule of thirds. Can placement really change a story? So if you're loving this creative deep dive, like the video, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss the next chapter.